The government will not hold discussions on equal allocations for opposition MPs unless Perikatan Nasional submits proposals to amend the terms it deems unfair in the draft Memorandum of Understanding. Deputy Prime Minister Fadillah Yusof said the terms for equal funding were negotiated during the drafting of the MoU when PN Chairman Muhyiddin Yassin was the Prime Minister.
Kalau orang dah tolak, tak kemukakan cadangan balas, apa yang nak dimasyarakat? Kalau ada, saya akan bincang lah. Bawakan demesyuarat di peringkat jawatankuasa parti-parti dalam kerajaan madani ini dan kemudian kita panggil lah mereka untuk bincang.
Earlier today, Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim urged the opposition to engage with the government on the MoU terms, which he said remain open to negotiation in response to Muhyiddin's claim that PN rejected the draft due to its strict and unfair conditions. However, Fadillah said he was unaware of which conditions Muhyiddin found strict and unfair since PN had not communicated with him formally.
Tapi kalau dia kata ketat, apa yang ketat, apa cadangan balas, itu yang saya tunggu.
Natasha Bust, FMT.